gonna use the leftovers from the pie when I cut it round. These are all the ones that came of it. I'm not gonna roll them again. You could roll them back and make other pies out of these, but I'm gonna use this to make chips, Ghana chips. So what you do is your leftover from your pie, when you cut your pie, you can make another pie out of it by putting it together and rolling it back, but I'm gonna make Ghana chips out of this. So what you do is you cut these up, and then you get a pair of scissors, and then you cut it, and then we're gonna fry it. I'm gonna cut all these up, and then we're gonna fry it. Chips is done. It's cooked beautifully. I'm gonna put it in on a paper towel so that it can drain. Right there. So you have an option. You can either fry your chips or you can bake them. If you want to bake them, you can put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. So you can either fry or you can bake. Baking is healthier for you. It'll come out as crunchy as if you had fried it. And so you could give that a try as well. Thank you for listening, and I hope to see you next time. So there is it, your fried Ghanaian chips. I hope you enjoy it. Try it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bon appetit.